Hello. In this video, we're going to go over how to find the comparative advantages between two parties trading two different goods. The first thing we need to do is, recognize the parties involved. First question, we have Japan and the United States. Second question, we have Mark and Doreen. Third question, we have Anna and Barry. The first thing we want to do is find the opportunity cost table. Now, in order to find the opportunity cost table, we need to think of this as ratios. The United States can create 12 cars for every 4 computers. So what you need to do is basically get the ratio in 1 for each other. So when we're looking for the opportunity cost for cars, we're going to divide both by 12. And we'll have cars opportunity cost being 1 to 1/3. We're going to create an opportunity cost chart over here. US, Japan, cars, computers, and there we go. At this point, we can write 1/3 there. Opportunity cost for making 1 car is 1/3 of a computer. Next, we're looking for the opportunity cost for computers. We write the same ratio out, 12 to 4, but we want computers to be a 1 this time. So we're going to divide both by 4. What we get is 3 to 1. So our opportunity cost for computers is 3. We will do the same exact thing for Japan. So let's write out the ratio and figure it out. Divide, so cars, computers. To find cars first, divide both by 10. 1 is equal to 3/5. And then to find computers, we will divide both by 6. We see 5/3 is 1. Now, to choose which one has the comparative advantage is the one that has the lower opportunity cost in that respective good. The United States has a lower opportunity cost in cars, thus will build cars. Japan has a lower opportunity cost than the United States when it comes to computers, thus they will do computers. So again, the United States costs less for them to make cars than Japan. 1/3 is smaller than 3/5. So they have the comparative advantage there. And for Japan, the 5/3 is less than 3. So thus they have the comparative advantage there. So cars is US, Japan is computers. I'm just going to write comps because I clearly can't spell computers. Next, let's do the next one. So first we see that we have our first ratio of radios installed and speakers for Mark. We're going to go for radios, speakers. Radios first, divide both by 6. We see opportunity cost for radios is 1/3. Let's go ahead and make that chart. So we have Mark, Doreen, radio, speakers. The opportunity cost for radios is 1/3. We do it again, divide both by 2. We see radio opportunity cost for speakers is 3. We do Doreen, and we see 10 to 5. Divide both by 10. We can clearly see this is going to be 1/2, and this is going to be 2. We find the respective opportunity cost. 0.3 is less than 1/2. 2 is less than 3. Doreen will make speakers, has the comparative advantage. Speakers, Mark has the comparative advantage in radio. I just wrote speakers twice. I meant to write speakers is Doreen, radios is Mark. One last one and we'll be done. Let's rewrite our opportunity cost chart. Beautiful. Anna, berry, potatoes, cabbages. We do our ratio, divide both by 4. We see 1 is to 3/2 for potatoes, opportunity cost. Do it again, divide both by 6. And we see that 2/3 is the opportunity cost for cabbages. Then we're going to do Barry. Barry is 24 to 12. Divide both by 24. We see that is 1/2. When we divide both by 12, we get 1 to 2. So we see that this is 1/2. Here, wait, for potatoes, 1/2. And for cabbages, 2. So when we're looking at this is going to be fairly obvious. If we double check our potatoes for Anna, our potatoes is divide 4 to 6, divide both by 4, and we're good to go. We see Barry has the comparative advantage for potatoes. Anna has the comparative advantage for cabbages. And it's as simple as that. All we need to do is find their respective opportunity costs and compare them with one another to find their comparative advantages. If there's a specific problem you'd like me to cover with this, please let me know. Other than that, hope everyone has a great day.